Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. On the LINK chart, we seem to be going for another low. That was also what we expected when we talked about LINK in the last video. Just sort of this strong move down here still suggests another low. There are a few things here to highlight. First of all, LINK entered this price range in May 22. So over a year, it's now been below $9.50, and that will be a significant breakout point to the upside. So far, we are far away from that. Now, on the LINK chart, we have relevant support. So there is a lot of structural support here between $4.90 and $5.90. So that's an important structural support region. It goes down to $4, and yeah, $4.90. If we really break through that level, I mean, you could argue that we might find some support at this descending trend line. I would pay attention to that. You see that price has made lower lows and lower highs basically since November 22, shows a lot of weakness, and I would still expect another low for LINK, given that it failed to rally in 5 waves here recently. It created only a 3-wave structure to the upside. Now, there are a few ways how we can count that from an Elliott wave point of view. I'm currently counting it, the wave 3 in here in May 22, yeah, and the wave 4 top in November 22, and now we are moving down in a 5-wave move and ending diagonal. Wave 1, wave 2, the wave 3 is still in the making, basically as an ABC structure. Then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5. This is one way of counting this. To really confirm this wave count, it would need to break below $4.90. Well, there is another wave count that we can use, which is going to lead to a very similar outcome, to be honest. It would just mean that all of this was a huge Elliott wave triangle, a huge one, okay? And it would be an extended triangle. In this triangle, I'm counting it basically off this swing low that was made in May as an A wave up here to this swing high. No, no, it wouldn't be this swing high. So wave A to the upside. Then we had a wave B to the downside, which probably finished here. Yeah, then the C wave, then probably a D wave and an E wave, okay? And then the wave 4 did sit here, and then basically we are now in this move to the downside from here in an ending diagonal. But does it really change anything? Not really. So I just leave it as it is because it works well. And overall, we just need to understand that it would take a break. Well, yeah, probably above the last swing high, to be honest. So above the $7.89, $7.90 level, to unlock more bullish price potential. But to be honest, if you can see that, it will take, first of all, a break above this trend line to reduce the downside pressure. And then, I mean, this would be quite bullish if we can get a sustained break above $9.50. But at the moment, all I can see is making lower lows and lower highs here, yeah? Is in a downtrend in a descending price channel. It can take ages until something really exciting happens. Lots of volatility on this chart, but just simply up and down, and it seems to be toppling over actually. So yeah, pay attention to that relevant support level, support range that I highlighted. Pay attention to the trend lines. The local trend is down. Overall, I think we are still just consolidating sideways, but it seems to be toppling over, yeah. And at the moment, another low would be expected until LINK can show us an impulse to the upside. We were paying attention here, but LINK didn't show us an impulse. It became just a 3-wave move. I did highlight to you that it really needs to give us that 5th wave up to get a more reliable upside pattern, yeah, but it didn't. So it remains a 3-wave move, part of this overall correction. So we keep expectations on the downside. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.